Hi, I'm Sam. Here are a couple ways to film slow motion on the Sony ZV-E1. First, set your mode switch to Video in the center. Then open the menu and scroll down to the red tab with the camera, the Shooting tab. Now, go to the right and select item number 1, Image Quality/Rec. Go to the right again, go to Movie Settings, and go to the right. Now, with Rec frame rate highlighted, press the center button. From here, you can choose the option that works best for you. The higher the frame rate, the slower the footage can be. If you're filming in 4K, you can shoot up to 60 frames per second. And if you're filming in 1080 or HD, you can shoot up to 120 frames per second. When filming in higher frame rates using this method, the camera will still record audio, and you'll need to slow down the footage manually in your editing software. Here's another way to film slow motion. Back on this page, go from Movie Settings down to S&Q Settings, and go to the right. With frame rate settings highlighted, go to the right again. Use the column on the left titled Rec Frame Rate to select the playback speed of the footage, and use the column on the right titled Frame Rate to select how many frames per second are actually recorded. Once again, if you're filming in 4K, you can shoot up to 60 frames per second, and if you're filming in 1080 HD, you can shoot up to 120 frames per second. Once you're done, press the center button. Now, slide your mode switch to S&Q, use the up-down buttons on the control wheel to select the S&Q shooting mode, use the left-right buttons to choose your exposure mode, then press the center button. Now, when you press record, the camera will film using the settings you've chosen. Opposed to the previous method we covered, when filming slow motion using S&Q mode, the camera will automatically slow down the footage for you according to the playback speed you've chosen, and audio will not be recorded. If this was helpful, please like and subscribe, and if you have a second, say hi in the comments. It means a lot. All right, have a good shoot.